Alright, this doesn't fit. It should go on the car. Something about like that. But if you look on my OEM one, how flat this is, and this is right up against my floor. But if you look on this one, it hits the floor. This is hitting the floor, which is causing this won't draw up on the back of the manifold. At least a 1/4 of an inch gap up here. It's almost like this plate needs to be tilted more forward, or this is on upside down going up. Looking at it from this angle, I mean, that's pretty close to the front. And then but when you come down to the back, look how much higher the back is. See how it would obviously be hitting the floor. Maybe more something like that. But it's got too much of a curve in it this way.